Alright, hello YouTube. Today we're making a custom socket head cap screw out of 61 aluminum. Here we go. Let me hit the button. Okay, I'm going to do my best to zoom in here. Just bear with me. Alright. So, the camera will focus here. You can see that the machine is turning down the body of the thread here, and now it's threading. And now it's going to turn down more of the body and continue to thread the rest of that portion. That will be the end of that. Okay, so now this tool's making another body cut, and it's just doing a little bit of work for the next tool to come in, which is a delicate grooving tool. It's doing a finer feature cut there. Okay, the head's turned down, now it's chamfering the back of the head of the screw. That's the end of that part of the operation. Anyway, if you'd like your parts to be ran over here with us, contact myself, my name's Michael, or John, and we can help you get your stuff made over here on our Swiss-style Citizen machines here. Alright, thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.